Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of unique woven furniture and home decor. Here, you'll find creative ideas, design tips, and inspiration to help you transform your living spaces with stylish and functional pieces. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or simply looking for fresh decor ideas, we've got something for everyone. Join us as we dive into the art of weaving and discover how to elevate your home with beautiful, handcrafted items. If you enjoy our content and want to support our channel, please take a moment to subscribe and like our videos. Your support helps us create more engaging content and share our passion for woven furniture with a wider audience. Together, we can inspire each other to create stunning spaces that reflect our unique styles. Thank you for being a part of our community. Woven dining and accent chairs. Creating a line of woven dining and accent chairs allows you to showcase exquisite craftsmanship while offering comfort. Using natural materials like rattan, wicker, or bamboo not only enhances durability, but also adds aesthetic appeal. Consider integrating cushioned seats upholstered in outdoor fabric for added comfort, ensuring these chairs are suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. The combination of sturdy materials and stylish design can attract a wide range of customers looking for versatile seating options. To further enhance the appeal, offer a variety of colors, patterns, and weaving techniques. Customization options enable buyers to select finishes that match their home decor, making these chairs more attractive and personal. For instance, providing choices for different cushion colors or woven patterns allows customers to create a unique look tailored to their preferences. This level of personalization can significantly increase customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. In your marketing efforts, promote these chairs as ideal additions to dining rooms, living rooms, or outdoor patios. Highlight their comfort and style in promotional materials, showcasing them in lifestyle images that demonstrate how they complement various interior styles, from bohemian to modern chic. By positioning these chairs as both functional and stylish, you can effectively attract a diverse customer base. Woven coffee and side tables. Woven coffee and side tables present an excellent opportunity to combine functionality with unique design. Create tables featuring woven bases combined with sturdy tabletops, experimenting with various shapes such as round, square, or oval to cater to different customer needs. The woven elements can be integrated into the legs or as part of the overall table design, adding texture and a distinct visual appeal that sets your products apart from traditional furniture. Emphasizing the lightweight nature of these tables is crucial for marketing purposes. This feature makes them easy to move and rearrange in any space, appealing to customers who appreciate versatility. Highlight their dual functionality as both decorative pieces and practical surfaces for drinks, books, or decor. Additionally, consider offering side tables with storage features, such as woven baskets or shelves, to enhance their utility and attract customers looking for space-saving solutions. To promote these tables effectively, market them as perfect for small living spaces. Highlight their ability to provide style without occupying too much room, making them suitable for apartments or cozy homes. Utilize social media and online platforms to showcase customer reviews and lifestyle images, encouraging potential buyers to envision these pieces in their own homes. By focusing on both aesthetics and practicality, you can drive quick sales and maximize profit. Woven outdoor furniture sets. Focusing on woven outdoor furniture sets creates an opportunity to offer cohesive and stylish solutions for outdoor spaces. These sets can include a combination of woven tables and chairs, catering to various outdoor environments, from balconies to larger patios. By including options like lounge chairs, dining tables, and coffee tables, you can create a complete package that enhances the outdoor living experience. This comprehensive approach not only simplifies the shopping process for customers, but also encourages them to invest in multiple pieces. Durability is key when designing outdoor furniture. So use materials such as synthetic rattan or treated wood that can withstand the elements while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Highlight the stylish designs that promote comfortable outdoor living, positioning your products as perfect for chic al fresco dining or relaxation. By emphasizing both durability and design, you can attract customers looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. In your promotional tactics, market these sets as ideal for entertaining guests or enjoying family gatherings outdoors. Utilize seasonal promotions, especially during spring and summer, to encourage purchases. Leverage online platforms to showcase your outdoor sets in appealing settings, using vibrant imagery to illustrate their potential. Additionally, consider offering discounts for complete set purchases to incentivize buyers. By focusing on style, functionality, and seasonal relevance, you can maximize profits and achieve quick sales in the outdoor furniture market. Woven wall art. Transform simple materials into stunning wall art. Use natural fibers like jute, sisal, or cotton to create textured pieces that can serve as focal points in any room. Large, intricate designs can command higher prices, especially if they incorporate different weaving techniques or patterns. Woven baskets. Baskets are timeless and versatile. Offer a range of sizes, from small decorative pieces to large storage solutions. Highlight their eco-friendly aspects by using sustainable materials. Customizing colors or patterns can also appeal to a broader audience, making them perfect for quick sales. Woven furniture covers. Create attractive and durable covers for standard furniture pieces, such as chairs and sofas. These can be made from weather-resistant materials, making them ideal for outdoor or indoor use. Customers love the idea of protecting their furniture while adding a touch of style. Woven planters. With the growing trend of indoor plants, woven planters can be a hit. Design lightweight, decorative hangers or pots that suit various plant sizes. Offering sets or themes can encourage buyers to purchase multiple items, increasing your sales volume. Woven rugs. Rugs can transform a space, and woven options add a unique texture. Experiment with different weaving techniques to create patterns that stand out. Consider using recycled materials for an eco-friendly touch, which can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Woven wall hangings. Macrame wall hangings have become increasingly popular. Combine traditional weaving methods with modern designs to create pieces that resonate with contemporary aesthetics. These can be marketed as bohemian decor, appealing to a specific niche. Woven throws and pillows. Soft woven throws and decorative pillows add comfort and style to any space. Use vibrant colors and patterns to catch the eye. Offering personalized options, such as monograms, can enhance their appeal and justify a higher price. Woven lampshades. Transform everyday lamps with woven lampshades. These can diffuse light beautifully and add texture to a room. Custom designs that fit various lamp sizes can attract a wider customer base, ensuring quick sales. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable tips for your woven furniture and home decor projects. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue creating more exciting and informative videos. We appreciate you being part of our community.